Hello viewer, it's a shape creation video tutorial for the beginners and the experts as well. You can learn many things from that, where you can also enjoy the process to make the designs. These designs have the similar pattern to create with the shapes. So there it is. Let's have a picture editing. Into that, making these shapes design, made a radical into the center, and also we will have that shape with it. There is the other one. So let's generate a further design. So we will have the pictures